Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I will show you some of apps that drain your battery on your Windows PC and how you can simply find them and turn them off right now in this tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your window menu, right click on it, and this is going to pump up. The next thing you need to do is to go to settings, and it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy, and it's going to take you right here. From privacy, simply scroll down right here and make sure you navigate to background apps, click on that. Then you have all the background apps right here. So right here, what you need to do, choose which apps can run in the background of your PC. So you can simply scroll down right here. These are all apps that have access to your battery in the background. Whether you use them or you are not using them, they are going to run in the background of your PC. And as a result of that, they are going to drain quite a lot of battery on your Windows PC. So what you need to do is to simply turn off as many as possible of the apps that use your battery in the background. So I'm going to turn off some of this right here. So everything depends on you. You can turn off as many as possible. It is not necessary to have some of the apps right here run in the background of your PC. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.